Guys, I'm going to show you how to make this kind of slime. It's very stretchy, so let me get it out of my freezer. All you need is Suave and salt. Not Suave Kids, Suave. Okay, so let's get started. Let me get it out of the freezer. Okay, so first you're going to stir that. It's not ready yet, but it's going to come together like this. If yours doesn't come together like that, that means you made it wrong. But I made mine so right, it came out thick and everything. It's like cleaning off the whole bowl. But you're probably like, I made this before, but it never works out. How did she make it like that? It is very easy. I just told you the ingredients. I did not get this from a website or anything. I swear to God, I didn't. But only in the shampoo and the salt. But I had added another ingredient to make it like this, and it was salt. Because I looked up, can you make slime out of Suave? Not Suave Kids, but Suave. And it showed me, and I was like, oh, I can make this. And then I had my ingredient. And then all you need to add is liquid starch after that. I was like, oh my God, this is so easy. This is actually my own ingredient. It's liquid starch. Only thing is liquid starch. Because see how it comes together? Mine comes together. If yours doesn't come together like this, then I think you made it wrong. I said I think you made it wrong. Oh, sorry, I'm blocking the camera. I said I think you made it wrong. And everything, so that's why it's not coming out like mine, because mine is so nice and thick and juicy. Like juicy. It's like juicy and everything. You know what I mean by that? It's like juicy and thick like that. It's like a juicy grapefruit like that. But it's gonna come together, and then it will turn into slime. I swear it actually will. I did not put Elmer's glue in here. I actually didn't. It made it by itself. I put it in the freezer for like 20 minutes or so, I think. Yeah, 20 minutes or so. It might stick to your hands, but when it sticks like that, then it will take it off. Like that, and you have to wipe it off sometimes, not like I do. And it will come together. But if yours doesn't come together like how mine did right now, but if it sticks to you, add more liquid starch. And that should be good when you add the liquid starch, and then you're done. But it is a very easy project to make. Some people, my friends made it with me. And they were like, how did you make it? And I told them, and they were like, oh my gosh. Because they made it at their house and everything. And I was like, well, you have to make it right and get that like right there, like right in the spot to make it. Because I've already had this. Mommy, look. I made this. You know the thing when you told me not to make the shampoo thing anymore? And I did it one more time. When you told me, and I made it, and then look.
You finally got it?
Mm-hmm. Mommy.
Hold on.
Unpause it. And so it would be like this. Because I make slime, and my friends ask me all the time, hey, can you make me slime? Hey, can you make me slime? Because they never could get it right. Mom, didn't you know that? My friends always ask me to make them slime. Huh? You heard that? My friends always ask that, can I make them slime?
I know.
That's my mom. she won't show her face because she doesn't have her makeup on or anything. And she has purple hair, but she's not a rock star, but she's a cool mom. I know I ate some of it, half of it. And it will turn into be like this. And it will make your... Mommy!
What?
If Dad's not busy, can we go swimming tomorrow?
I don't know. We'll see.
Okay. And I have my slime. And it is so fun to play with. Seriously, guys, if you need to make this, I'm talking like, boom bam, you need to make this. It's like, just like magic, burning up the head, no one how just one day. It is so fun. So now you know this and this are twins. So now you know this is so nice. And this might not be big as a bowl. It's because I made that out of in a big bowl.
I do.
Yeah.
I want to watch Shameless. I want to watch Shameless.
No, I'm sorry, not tonight.
Why?
And you can squeeze it.
Oh,
And you can do things like it's a booger. I made mine green, like a sea green. Well, it's not a sea green, but I made mine green. There was other colors too, but hear this, ready?
I wrote, I stepped on your slime and I have it on my foot.
And put it one more time in the liquid starch. And that's what makes it stretchy and everything. Your hands might get dry sometimes, but it will wash out. So trust me, it's because of the salt. So the salt and everything, so yeah. And then leave this, it doesn't even leave a stain on your table. It doesn't leave a stain on my hands either. It's just like normal slime. Does it bounce? Hold on. No, it doesn't. Just like magic, burning up the ray. No one can be just like me anyway. It picks up the things, but if you drop this on the floor, it would probably get... And you're going to stir that one more time in the liquid starch so it doesn't get dry. I'm going to say that again. So it doesn't get dry. This is just like making it this with Elmer's glue. But I didn't make it out of Elmer's glue, so I put it in the freezer. But if I put Elmer's glue and the freezer would probably freeze to death and not work. But, so, this has sparkles in it because I put sparkles in it afterwards. When I first made it, I put sparkles in it, like that one and everything. But I'm going to put this down, and then I'm going to wash this, and I'll see you guys in a minute. But hold on, let me just wash this out and put it in the bowl to make it clean. But when you wash your hands might be a little itchy. When they're itchy and the hot water hits it or something, it'll not get itchy anymore. So, yeah, trust me. Trust me. Trust me. But, yeah. Watch out for water. Okay, and then this slime that's on the table right now I have. Dry your hands off really good so it doesn't stick to your hands and wet. And after, when you're playing with it, you can put this in a container. It will dry out, trust me. I know this. It's like real slime. It will actually dry out and everything. So it doesn't even stick. Watch. Nothing. And I like to show my fans that because, yeah. Because sometimes, well, I have no fans, but I like to show people that. But thank you guys for watching, and I hope you like this video, and like and subscribe. And peace. Peace out, bro. Bye. Love you guys. Subscribe and like this video if you liked it, okay? Well, and guys, if you could, you can buy some off of me, or not. Never mind. I'll just talk to it in another video, and I forgot. I forgot. You know the people on YouTubers. I like Karina Garcia, Karina. I don't have a picture of her, but you would have to look right up there. But I don't have it today. I don't have the pictures to show it because I didn't do things. And Timmy Tomato, he's funny, actually, really funny. And Karina Garcia, and she makes fun DIYs and everything. Well, guys, please like this video and subscribe. And I'm going to say the YouTubers' names again so you can look them up and follow them. But they already have enough followers, but you could still follow them. Her name is Karina, Karina, and write this on a piece of paper to follow them. And then Garcia, like my last name, Rose Angelia Garcia. And Timmy, Timmy, Tomato, Tmato. I think. I don't know. But you would have to look it up and say Timmy Tomato on Google, YouTube, anything, and it will have them, and yeah. But he would be like, hey, what's up, guys? And he'll whip his hair and everything. He's funny. He'll be like, but his hair is like up to here, and he'll be like, hey. Like, I have to do that. Hey, what's up, guys? Boo, boo, boo. And then at the end, he goes, oh, boo, boo, boo. Boo, boo. Boo boo, and everything. So yeah, and then you should follow Sis versus Bro. So you write SIS versus VS, and then Bro BRO, and yeah. And they already have enough followers, but you can still follow them and everything. But they are so nice. But if I have the pictures of them, I'll be like, whoop, there it is, and I'll be like, whoop, there it is, whoop. Wait. There it is. So that would be Sis versus Bro, Karina Garcia, Timmy Tomato, and everything. Sorry, I didn't do a dance for you, but wait, hold on. The wheels on the bus go round and round, round and round, round and round. Now watch me whip, watch me nay-nay. Watch me whip, whip, watch me nay-nay. Stab, what? Stab, what? Buy me some when I'm gone. When I'm gone. You're gonna miss me when I'm gone. You're gonna miss me without my hair. You're gonna miss me without my hair. You're gonna miss me when I'm gone. When I'm gone. Now watch me whip, watch me nay-nay. Okay, the slime queen. The wheels on the bus go round and round, round and round. Okay, that's the song for them, but when I did the wheels on the bus go round and round all through the town, I didn't mean to, guys, but I just had to. Well, guys, thanks for watching and like this video in 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Bye, guys.